Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Gala Games price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now almost fully maximized our minimum retracement area, highlighted here on the charts using this white target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, and that was after seeing our low on the 23rd of March, where we started a 5 wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.05063 mark, and also completed the formation of that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the formation of that first wave to the upside, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $0.04055 mark and the $0.03464 mark. And at the time of this recording, you can see that we have almost fully maximized that target area. And in my previous videos, I have been saying to you that in the formation of this wave 2, I've been expecting to see an ABC corrective structure also play out, where I have been terming this as the wave A, then a wave B giving us a peak at around the $0.05 mark. And my primary scenario has been that we are going to see one more leg down in the formation of this wave C to give us a low that is below the low for this wave A. And you can see that yesterday after the FOMC meeting, we saw a massive breakdown over here in a move that fully maximized that scenario, in a breakdown that gave us a low at around the $0.03563 mark. And there are now high chances that Gala Games has been able to put in place the low for this second wave, and there are high chances that very soon we might start our impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And assuming that Gala Games is not going to give us one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2, we can sketch out a target area in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then drag the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.06935 mark. And that is the minimum that you can expect Gala Games to do in the formation of that wave 3, assuming that we are not going to see further breakdown, giving us one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2. So that is the first possible scenario that we can expect here on the Gala Games chart. On the alternative scenario, we need to have in mind that there are chances that Gala Games might continue seeing further breakdown, and that could be attributed to the maybe Bitcoin also seeing further breakdown, and that can happen in case Bitcoin also continues to see further breakdown. And in case such a move plays out, then there are high chances that we can make one more new low below the low that we made yesterday at around the $0.03547 mark. And in case such a move plays out, then I think we need to continue watching this white target area, which is the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, which lies between the $0.04066 mark and the $0.03483 mark. Because the moment we lose our white target area, then that would be suggesting an alternative and an even more bearish scenario here on the Gala Games chart. So we need to continue holding within this white target area, and the moment we lose this, then that would be suggesting an even more bearish scenario, which can be given by this Elliot wave structure that I have right here in blue, which is the Elliot wave structure that has been giving me the long-term expectations here on the Gala Games chart, where you can see that after seeing our bear market low, down there, we started that massive bounce to the upside, where we picked in that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.06341 mark. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that bottomed out within this blue target area on the 23rd of March. And in case we see further breakdown losing our white target area over here, then that would be suggesting that we are going to see a reset of these wave 2 of this Elliot wave structure right here in blue within this target area, which lies between the $0.03939 mark and the $0.02576 mark. So in case we lose our white target area, then expect Gala Games to crash to the area at around the $0.025 mark on the worst case scenario. But in case we continue holding within the white target area, expect a reversal in the formation of that wave 3 to continue gearing up and continue giving us higher prices in what on the long-term scenarios is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see micro Elliot wave counts within that wave 3, and that's the reason as to why you can see that I have these as the wave 1, then a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, before we can expect a wave 3, then a wave 4 and a wave 5 to fully maximize the minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 47 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. But in case the breakdown continues, that will still be supported on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, though we are seeing a bit of a sharp decrease in the buying momentum. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.